weight reduction. So we're gonna go do some test hits because on this beautiful day, the track decided not to open. So we're gonna throw the slicks on Andrew's truck here and go try some hits on the street. So it's a 5-speed manual. It used to be a V6. But last year, was it last year? The motor went in? How do you open these Dodge hoods? How do you open this hood, Andrew? Come open this hood for me. You need a new bumper. So last year, we motor swapped it. We took the 3.6 that was in it and put a 5.2, what was it? 3.9. Oh, it was a 3.9, sorry. It had a 3.9 V6 in it, and we put a 318 5.2 Magnum in it. He's got the cold air intake, he's got headers. The exhaust after that is not so great. Got the high horsepower Awuga horn, but other than that, the whole motor's stock. So no cam, no nothing, just stock computer. He's got some plugs in it, but that's about it. Electric fans. His best time last year was a, what'd you run last year? 16.2? At what mile an hour? Okay, under 100 miles an hour anyways. And that was with 321s in the rear end and an open diff. We have a locker now, True Tracks, and 390s. So he also got those tires. So we're gonna throw those tires on. We're gonna try with this locker and gears, see how it does. We'll just do maybe some like first to second gear pulls kind of thing. But that's the truck. You guys seen in a previous video, it beat a Bighorn Dodge Ram. Here's the time slip. So we have a 2499 60 foot, 10.4 8th mile at 67, and then it was a 16.2 at 85 miles an hour. Was the best pass we had on this. So this year we're hoping for 15s, maybe 14s. We might spray it at the end of the year. Probably do like cam intake, some stuff like that. But other than that, it's stock. So once we get the shifts down, it should be good. Man, those tires look beast on this thing. Should have cleaned the mud off first, but that's okay. We'll wash it later. He got stuck in the grass last night, so. So these are the Tough Country traction bars. This actually goes on top of your leaf spring and axle. So unlike my bars that go under, the Caltrax, his go on top. So as you can see, the plate bolts to the top, U-bolts go down through, then the bar goes up to the top of the spring. So it all seems to be powder coated black, which is nice. welds look pretty decent, and then it comes with all the bushings and everything you need. So seems to be pretty heavy duty steel too. The only thing I don't know about is the only one side support, but I'm not too sure. We'll test them out and we shall see how they work. So you got the U-bolts on, just tightening up the back part over the leaf spring.
No.
And then we got to throw the bushings and stuff in the front, correct?
Yep.
Sweet.
Lines up. She's all tight.
You're back in business.
Just tightening the bolts. So we'll finish throwing the front one in, throw the tires back on it, and go do a burnout. We'll go to our test spot in Mexico, just with the tires he's got here, and lay some rubber down. Maybe do a launch with these tires too.
Might as well. We're driving on them regularly. If I can roll up on anybody on the street.
Yeah, so we'll go to Mexico. We'll do some burnouts, try to launch on these street tires, see if it hops and skips, see how everything holds up. Okay guys, so sun's going down, it's getting a little chilly, but we're gonna clean up here. We got the tires back on, so we're gonna throw some tools away. We just got these, I don't know, how wide are these, 265?
Yeah, 265.
Yeah, 265s, so we're gonna go do a few burnouts, maybe try and launch it on these tires. It's probably just gonna spin, to be honest, but we'll see if there's any wrap in the springs or anything like that. So we'll get cleaned up and then head to Mexico. Yeah, they work. He didn't wheel hop.